So we're at the Memories Caribe and Cayo Coco this week. We've got a Diamond Club room, which is an upgrade. We get access to a little better food and beach area, etc., and a nicer room. We'll take a look inside the room now. See, it's quite well lit. Lots of windows down there. This is when you first come in on the left here. There's a washroom. You see a sink. Looks fairly refreshed. The counter looks in pretty good shape. Over here, we've got a safe, which doesn't really appear to be that secured to the wall. Some storage here. Not a huge amount of storage here. Lots of coat hangers, some blankets. Won't be needing those this week. Okay, next is the kind of washroom area here. Got a toilet, toilet paper, which apparently can be a problem, but I've never run into that issue in Cuba. The showers, we've got an indoor shower here, and which is really cool. Got an outdoor shower. Door's a little bit difficult to open. But out here, this is really excellent. I've been to a few places in Cuba that have this outdoor shower, and I think it's really neat. You can see the clouds up there, the sky. Just turn over here, you can see the rainhead shower, etc. So this, looking forward to trying this out. Okay, let's see what else we got in here. Got the main bedroom area, which is nice. There's actually some plugs right next to the nightstands. The European 220 style, but they also take 110. So most of your charging adapters will run off 220 or 110, and the socket there will take either. And that is actually USB chargers. Wow. Okay. So that's cool. Another nightstand with a kind of limited storage. So here's another kind of smaller storage area. I guess we get shoes and put our luggage up here, but not a lot of place to put your clothes when you're unpacking. All right, so then we got a little sitting area here, which have coffee in the morning or maybe drinks in the evening. Little sitting area over here. You can see overall the room's a decent size. It's not huge, but it's it's adequate. Got a fridge here, mini bar, actually stocked with a few things, some Coke and beer, some water. We'll see if we can get some rum delivered later on. And coffee maker, some coffee. Cuban coffee is really good. If you guys have never had Cuban coffee, it's quite good. And outside we've got a little patio, so let's check that out. And actually a locking mechanism that works, a little chain here. Just pull this door open here. Go outside, so in the evening, you can sit out here in the chairs, kind of look out onto the lagoon here, see if there's any wildlife hanging out. You can see the Diamond Club area is sort of all facing onto this lagoon area. Let me just change the zoom here. You can see another room over there, kind of a bungalow, and they're also facing into this lagoon. Anyways, yeah, so it's probably a pretty nice area to sit out at night in the evening when it cools down, because it's pretty hot right now in July. Anyways, I think that's pretty well it for the room tour. If you enjoyed the tour, please subscribe and like, and you'll get updates on other places we go and other videos that I'm shooting.